Hey guys, welcome back. So today,
Hi guys.
London, stop. We're going to be reviewing putty slime.
Can you see mine?
No, London, stop.
See mine?
It's
Slime.
London, stop. It's a flashing crystal putty, and by crystal it means that if you put it in the sun. If it sees the sun's reflection, then it will look like a crystal. Oh, and little bonus feature. Look at my elf. She's outside. She has made... Her hat has fallen off, but she has made a snowman. That's her without her hat, if you were wondering. And then she brought her little friend, Anna, to come help. Wanna build a snowman? Yeah, that song. So, I just wanted to throw that in, and I think that deserves a subscribe. I'm not, Lennon, stop. I'm not saying you have to, but it's bonus. So, first we're going to be moving that out of the way. I just threw it. Okay. We're going to be looking at this squishy. Oh, yeah. It smells like chocolate.
I smell.
Can you smell it? Smell it. Get a nice whiff.
Let me smell it.
You already smelled it.
It smells like chocolate.
Uh-huh. Smells like a candy bar. So, there's that. Ready? Isn't this cool? So I really want you guys to focus on it. Ready? No. Okay, focus camera. It takes forever to focus. Focus back on me. Okay, so here's our cool squishy. So cool. So it is chocolate with some vanilla. There's move our hat. Move our hat around. Okay. Very squishy and beautiful. So that's that. And that's that. Ready? Oh, it hit the floor. Guys, look. I threw it and it hit the floor. Hello, darkness, my old friend. It's so good seeing you again. Well, that was quite interesting. Didn't know I did that, but you know what? Who cares? That little elfy elf. I don't know what she's doing. Yeah, so let's get back to the video.
I don't want to play with this anymore.
You don't? She dirtied up my putty, and then you'll never get to play with it again.
Why?
Because it's mine. You want to keep this?
No.
Go find a baggie and you can keep it forever.
Thanks.
Forever. You can have your own slime. Your own slime.
I don't want it.
Forever.
I don't want it.
Okay, she doesn't really care. Forever and ever and ever. Well, she dirtied it up anyways. I don't really care anymore. Well, let's make a little mini slime sword, okay? So, there we go. If you didn't know, that's how you make one. Just gonna back and forth like that. Okay. Now, the fun part. Whoa. So just gonna there you go. Okay. Now, why it's called flashlight putty is because it had this flashing light in it, but I lost it. So that answers that question. So don't ask me anymore. Okay, it's just that. Anyways, okay, we're going to try a few different things with this. I'm really excited. So it's bounce. Oh, it can bounce and forever. Woo! 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 Ah! Can't roll away. Woo! Ah! Woo! 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 Ah! Okay. So yeah, it can do a ball. So we're gonna try a few different things with it. Like we're gonna try a bubble. We're gonna try to make like squish. Falling out of my shirt. Okay. I'm gonna make popping sounds, and we're going to do a slime swirl with all of the slime. So this is gonna be so much fun. And by the way, if you are from South Central, subscribe. South Central School. We have the satellites. If you didn't know, subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up and press that notification bell so you can never miss one of my videos. Okay? And you don't have to watch all of them, but I mean, do it. Whoa! I'm bad at making bubbles with slime, so I don't know how to do it with this. River, I know you're watching this. Comment down below. If you can, River, because I know you're using an Xbox, know everything about you. By the way, River is in my class, and yeah. So, just subscribe, like, comment down below. Yes, I go to South Central, and then list your name. Because River, I really don't know what your username is, but I know you subscribe, so. Ha! Okay, anyways. So, putty. And I know you all wanted to know something very important. When my birthday is. And I'm going to tell you when my birthday is, everyone. Get ready for it. December 19th. So, on my birthday, I will do a little video. Some morning video, maybe. I don't know. London, what do you want? No. Yeah. Be right there. 1 minute. So we're gonna hurry up, guys. No, London, I have to get dressed. Okay, I'll be right there. If you're wondering why I have to get dressed for something, as you can see, I'm already dressed, but I have a Christmas program. River, you are in it. Okay. Anyways, now I have to sing in front of a lot of... Okay, so it's the pops. Now let's do a slime swirl. This takes so long. Like I said, it's not going to be amazing because I'm rushing. You never want to rush on a slime swirl because just mess it all up. I'm just going to mess it all up. Don't rip. Okay, here we go. There is our wonderful some sort of another poke, 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 poke. If you guys were wondering, I do Roblox. So if you would like to befriend me, send me a request, feel free to. I will leave my Roblox name in the description below. So, wink, wink, hint, hint, nudge, nudge. If you were wondering what that's from, that is from Dennis Daily. So I know there are some Dennis Daily fans out there, and I am one of them. Yes, I am. Now, please don't not subscribe to me if you don't like Dennis. But Dennis just you're probably not watching this, but you should do a reaction video of more of your fans' videos. Come on! So guys, that was all for today with our slime and our squishy ice cream. So, here I just do one more squish. Yeah. Hold on! No, I have to get dressed. Weirdly misshapen. Well, that is all for today, guys. And I will be starting a channel for my sister because she does toy reviews. So, make sure to check that out. I love you guys. You are the best subscribers ever in the whole entire world. I love you guys. So, bye-bye.